Hey guys, it's Liv. Today I am doing a vlog. Since I am now combining my two channels with lifestyle being on Sundays and food being on Wednesdays, I decided that I would just start vlogging. So this morning I woke up, and once Pav got up, I kind of just like tidied up a little bit, made the bed, and then I got ready. So I actually filmed how I curl my hair. So I will insert that little clip here. So what I do is I just split my hair into two sections like this. Usually I spray some heat protectant in and then just like brush it with a regular brush. And then I grab the section and I just curl it away from my face like this. I hold it for a count of 5, and then usually I just drop it down my back to cool and move on to the next one. Sometimes I take like thicker sections and then sometimes I do skinny ones, and I start curling about the height of my eye, if you can see that, so I don't curl all the way up to the top. Then my hair will look like this when it is done. Turn around so you can see the back. Sometimes I'll just take a little bit of my boyfriend's hair gel. I'll just take like the tiniest little bit and I'll just kind of run it over the ends to make them not so fluffy. That is how I curl my hair. It is 12:51 and at 1:15 I'm leaving to go look at some cars. So just like test driving some cars and stuff. And then after that I am coming back and we're just chilling for a little bit, probably getting ready. And then we are going with a group of our friends to our favorite coffee shop called The Nook to try their new menu. They have a new menu starting next week. It has so many amazing vegan options on it. I'm so excited. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing tonight. I'm also going to be wearing boots, cut off Levi's, little black tank top, a kind of like sweater coat thing, and then my favorite necklace. I'm excited. I'm mostly excited to go eat food because I'm very hungry. Pav tidied up in here. It's so clean. Guys, twins, yes or no? She looks so pretty with her dog hair. I'm vlogging today, so. Pav, come on.
Come on, Pav. Wait, we're going right now?
Where are we going? Oh my god, we almost just died.
Really?
Alright, let's drive.
We're just a wreck. And that's coming from Greg, who's like actually a wreck.
I thought it was a good move.
What?
I thought it was a good take. I've only been pulled over like 5 times. You probably would have went.
So we're en route to the Nook.
People wanna say that love is just two-way crazy. You know they may be right, 'cause love has got a hold on me. You've been on my mind all the time obsessively. Tied all up in chains, your love has got a hold on me.
These are stuffed mushrooms with vegan mozzarella. Assuming.
Maybe it's the texture.
Popcorn tofu.
What are they storing?
You're,
My flapping is unfazed.
I can see the steam coming off it right now. Buffalo cauliflower. We like them. The dip and the cauliflower wings were both really good. And the wine.
It's actually
And the wine. The wine is good. What was your favorite thing, Pat?
the dip.
And the cauliflower.
What was your favorite thing so far?
I like the queso dip.
What was your favorite thing so far?
This.
Okay.
Just saw
The best part.
Fridge.
true.
Oh, I already asked you. We're documenting Greg's first time eating a salad since
Real
going
estate
vegan.
contract.
Going in. Yeah, that's
it. was really good.
It is really good. This looks really crunchy.
leafy.
Ew.
Plug for Pav photography right now.
No one will hire you. You take terrible pictures.
Only the best.
That's how I feel right now.
We are kind of like a Lady in the Tramp situation.
Mini mac and cheese. Oh my god. This is all I need in life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Mac and cheese in an
was just like the
an
5 items.
espresso.
Crazy. You know, like theirs was crazy. Yeah.
This is really good.
It tastes
It's like real mac and cheese.
Yeah.
This tastes like mac and cheese.
Louder than I expected.
Yeah, that was a good.
Lentil loaf.
All American.
Okay, I ate
the
some
same
of
as
this,
you.
but it was
American,
so
American.
good.
A movie.
How do you vlog without throwing up gang signs in the vlog the whole time?
Every time.
I don't know.
You like South and West?
That's
how I get. This one is Big Nation gang sign.
Is that
People who try to follow me on Instagram, my empty Instagram account, and your mom is one of them.
My sister.
Okay, see you soon.
Thanks for the vlog feature, Liv.
I
don't really have a DM
No,
slide
he
yet.
checks them. He
But
checks them. I
soon.
know he does. Wes, what's your number? 902.
425-6666.
Link to my Instagram here.
I was in the field, always stuck inside my fields, feeling low, don't help with all the snow inside my wheels. Think I need to go and bail. I ain't talking about a jail, but I'm steady locked in. Gonna do this shit for real. Bills getting paid when I hop up on that plane, making meals to the grave, smoke blowing at the face, levitating from the grape, and that's all I really need. Used to say I hate it, now it's all I fucking breathe. Blowing steam, all a dream.
Okay, bye, Bridge. Have fun at work. Make the big bucks at the clubs, okay? Bye. Love you.
What did you guys do today?
Not much. Test drove cars today.
Oh, that's a good thing.
But I didn't vlog it. I was too embarrassed. Maybe we should do an exercise challenge.
But my favorite was that one that ended
How much
and then I
longer
ran
than
out
me?
and never
Am
bought
I
it.
actually? I'm a pretty short guy. You must be pretty short.
I'm pretty sure. I'm 5'4.5".
I always thought I was 5'5".
No, Greg might be the tallest.
I had so much fun at the Nook with Liv
The Nook
B.
Bedford.
In Bedford with It's Liv B, it was so much fun.
Would you go again?
I'd go every day of the week.
I would go at least once or twice a week.
I already go once or twice a week, but maybe at nighttime.
The cauliflower
We literally go like twice a week anyway, but with the new
Because-
menu, we're probably gonna go more.
Really like those.
A great video right now, and I just don't.
I'll just
because
put,
I'll have to
as you
archive
wink,
it.
Greg Belfontaine.
We have to start making our.
Breakfast, I am having some toast just with vegan butter on one and then some jam on the other. Some Daya sliced cheddar. It's like the one that comes in a block. And some orange juice. Good morning. It's actually not morning. It's like 1 p.m. I'm just in the lobby of my building waiting for Bridget because we are going to another one of my favorite vegan restaurants, and this one is like fully vegan. You guys have heard me talk about it so many times. It's called On V, and I haven't been there in quite a while, so I'm really excited to go. I'll show you my outfit. I'm just wearing this gray waffle knit top tucked into the same jeans as last night. They're like clearly my favorite jeans ever. And then I just have a belt and a purse and my jacket and my boots.
People wanna say that I've been acting foolishly. You know they may be right, 'cause love has got a hold on me. Your love has got a hold, love has got a hold on me. Your love has got a hold, love has got a hold on me. Your love has got a hold, your love has got a hold on me.
Where are we going? Vandal's Donuts. We're going to get donuts. I'm a daily vlogger. Okay. So we're not getting donuts. The lineup was like all the way to the back of the store, so.
And all the vegan ones were fun.
Maria just smiles. She's happy because she's getting birthday cake, so. So we didn't get donuts, but Bridget has candy, so it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna get some. That's gonna be the end of my vlog. Thank you guys for coming along to my favorite vegan restaurants virtually. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you all next time.